The attic door creaked on, the air thick with dust and secrets long forgotten. I hadn't dared venture up there since inheriting the house, but the soft clack of keys at midnight shattered the sleep. Tonight, curiosity won. I climbed the narrow stairs, flashlight trembling in my hand. In the far corner, an ancient typewriter sat atop a warped desk, its keys glinting faintly beneath thick cobwebs. As I stepped closer, the machine began typing by itself, each letter deliberate, echoing sharply in the stillness. I squinted at the yellowed paper. "I see you." My breath caught. The keys paused, then resumed. "You shouldn't be here." I stumbled back, heart pounding, but the attic door slammed shut behind me. The typewriter rattled violently, spitting out line after line. "Let me out, let me out, let me out." Shadows pooled beneath the desk, stretching like dark fingers toward my feet. The temperature plummeted. My flashlight flickered and died. I pounded on the door, but it wouldn't budge. The typewriter's bell dinged one final time, and the shadows surged, icy and suffocating. As my scream faded into silence, the keys began again. "Another story begins," it wrote, my name appearing at the top of a fresh, blank page.